Mars doesn't choke you with silence. It chokes you when systems can't exhale.
It's not broken. It's blocked, and Mars blocks you with cold.
Decon isn't hygiene. It's how you keep tomorrow's air inside.
On Mars, the safe path is the one you can still see on the way back.
If it only clears at the surface, it will fail again at the next purge.
Don't chase the pulse. Let it settle, then correct.
You don't fix Mars. You return it to a range where breathing stays normal.
Insulation is a scalpel here, too much, and the frost just moves.
On Mars, recovery is incremental, one steady cycle at a time.
If the sound changes, we wake up before the numbers do.
Don't chase the ripple. Let it settle, then correct.
Mars will test the patch the moment you stop looking at it.
We can be uncomfortable. We cannot be unstable.
Hold.
We cleared it once. Now we stop it from returning. If the cold spot moves, the plug moves.
We chase cold, not symptoms.
We go clean, we come back cleaner.
A dirty seal turns a rescue into a leak.
We don't walk where the rover wouldn't.
We heat where the shadow will be, before it arrives.
It wants to fly.
One lock. No second chances.
Heat doesn't fix. Heat prevents.
It's moving!
If we can't measure it, we can't manage it.
We patched the coldest point, not the whole pipe.
The absence of change is a result we earn.
We don't fight the gust! Hands stay off. Wheels do the work.
Eyes on markers, not on hope.
A clean return is part of the fix.
Two check. Then we poke it.
Then
Don't chase the ripple.
Normal isn't comfort. Normal is permission to keep going.
prevention needs either sun or watts.
If we can't babysit the mirror, we automate warmth.
We spend watts so we don't spend emergency scrub.
One job, one pass.
Warm enough to prevent frost, not warm enough to weaken the pipe.
Seat. Seat. Sleeve. Leave.
Prevention looks like nothing happening. Air is the priority load.
We can live dim. We can't live foggy.
Let it finish breathing.
Mars rewards patience with stability. If the cold goes lower than our heat, it will win again.
Thermal mass buys time. Time buys correct decisions.
BCM only, nothing else. One pass.
If it vibrates, it fails later.
Stability is the only victory Mars allows you to keep.
Thermal mass just bought us hours.
If it fails during no EVA, we have only procedures. You sleep on Mars the way you camp, half listening.
Safe air spends power.
Safe power spends risk.
If the sound changes, we move before the numbers do.
On Mars, the best fix is the one that doesn't need attention.
That's not the pipe, that's the storm trying to touch it.
We built it so we wouldn't have to chase it in weather.
A short pulse means we're winning.
Do check now. Now.
Vent agrees.
It's us, not the pipe.
On Mars, restraint is an intervention.
We don't pre-panic. We pre-position.
Let it exhale.
A clean purge is proof the pipe is still open. We pay in comfort, so we don't pay in emergency scrub. We can't go outside and babysit a cable.
If we can move the risk with a switch, we do.
Wake me if the fan changes.
If it holds here, it holds anywhere.
That's the first whisper.
We built rules so we wouldn't improvise under stress.
If we lose power, we lose everything else.
We stay alive first. We stay comfortable later.
Dust changes geometry. Geometry changes temperature.
On Mars, sunrise is a suggestion.
One fix per window. That's how we survive.
If the lead fails, the mirror can't save us during purge.
We're on a timer the storm controls.
Secure beats pretty.
If it stays quiet for a minute, it might stay alive for a night.
Now! Not later!
Good. Now we watch the purge, not the wind.
No luxury loads, only visibility.
If we're tired, the card speaks.
2 check, then act.
Hold. Let the stack do its job.
A normal purge is a quiet miracle. We can't maintain everything in one day.
Audio is dominated by the loud, steady roar of a ventilation system or spacecraft.
Not yet.
If it rises fast, we don't debate.
We trust it after we test it.
Passing a test is surviving without drama.
We take what Mars offers, no more.
Temporary systems cost attention. Permanent systems cost 1 good EVA.
Cameras lie in dust. Beacons don't. The system includes us.
If the mirror becomes a hazard, it stops being a fix.
We let pressure decide when to spend watts.
I'll listen.
You sleep.
Air wants power. Power wants restraint.
Pressure decides when we spend watts.
Let it cough first.
We can be cold. We can't be wrong.
Heater stays, everything else negotiates.
No EVA means no heroics. Normal is the prize.
Same rules, same calm.
That's why we set thresholds.
If the battery drops, we'll want this.
Not yet. Not yet.
CO₂ levels steady at 5%. Confirm procedure Alpha 7.
Read back. No silent assumptions.
Mourning is just another condition, not a solution.
Cameras lie in dust. Beacons don't.
We survive even if the mirror is gone.
Restraint is a control loop. We reduce power demand by keeping passive hardware honest.
One pass, no extras.
One stroke. Done.
Good. Don't keep hitting.
If it stays quiet, it stays useful.
Now.
Every watt we don't spend is another purge we survive.
Still sealed.
Good.
Where migrates?
Risk doesn't disappear. It relocates. Recharge, but gently. The rover is our third crewmate.
We're back to thinking speed.
The planet doesn't stop. It just moves the target.
Looks great.
We patch on evidence, not fear.
I'm not fear.
There. That's the pair. Patching back, nothing else.
Go.
Short wrap, lock, done.
We don't win with force. We win with placement. Placement.
Back, now.
That was the last patch. From here on, we run what we built.
We can keep patching forever. Huh?
Or we move the pipe once.
If we're gonna move the pipe, it's soon.
We don't waste EVA minutes looking.
We can't spend a whole day outside. We can't keep losing mornings.
Either we pay once, or we pay every day.
We don't wait for it to get bad again.
That's our window buying itself.
One window, one choice.
If we do this, we stop running every morning.
Time to airlock margin must stay safe.
Maintenance is cheaper today.
And expensive tomorrow.
check their act.
And no extras?
Move the pipe and end the shadow problem.
Or keep the stack and preserve margin, knowing CO₂ will try again.
Follow the safe ring. No improvising.
Pocket first, hardware second.
One pull, no twisting.
Seat it straight, let the collar do the work.
Lock. Hold. Verify.
2 check. Direction correct. Orientation correct. Locking.
No hiss.
And no drift.
And no drift. Good.
We didn't heat it. We relocated the problem.
Good. Short wrap. We don't create a new freezer down the line.
Back. No extra seconds.
Clear.
Now we enter.
This is what fixed looks like. Boring.
Let it run. If it holds, we sleep.
On Mars, the best sound is nothing changing.
Only what we can afford.
It's still standing. Then we stay inside.
Shadow hits, and nothing happens.
Machine does it.
Machine does it. We don't.
We kept the last resort last.
Read back, relocate, verify, then leave it alone.
Confirmed.
If the sound changes, we wake up before the numbers do.
On Mars, control is knowing when not to touch. You don't suffocate from lack of oxygen here.
You suffocate when the invisible has nowhere to go.